This video is a sign from the universe to tell you that now is the time to double down on you and to make more money, to create that life of freedom for yourself, and to truly step into this highest, most confident, most certain, most expressed, authentic version of you. And I'll tell you why that is. Because we live in the most amazing time we have ever lived in. The opportunities that are available to you are absolutely ridiculous compared to what life was like before. I was recently watching the movie Braveheart. Great movie. Back in Scotland, in those days, I'm from Ireland originally, so the scenery, the way of operating, and the fights with the English resonated deeply. And I was looking at the way they used to live in these stone cottages, right? The way they were dressed, how they had fun, how they operated throughout the day-to-day, and the challenges that they faced. Their wives were getting taken. Their day-to-day was fighting for their freedom. Today we have more freedom than we could have ever imagined, yet we have more problems than we've ever imagined. Now, why is that? Well, I really believe that a lot of it comes from not being able to make a simple and committed decision to truly create a great life for yourself, and then to also hold the discipline, the courage, and really find a strong reason why to keep progressively moving forward. Because when in these days, when Braveheart was based right around that time, and any of these other movies where, you know, there was wars, there was women getting stolen, there was fights for freedom, all of these different moments, they had a strong reason why. Your wife gets taken, you go get her back. That's a strong reason why. Your family gets, taken from you. Maybe a family member gets murdered. That's a strong reason why. You're fighting for your freedom. You want to step up and you want to have this life for yourself. So you fight against any authorities to be able to create that life of freedom, or to be able to bring freedom to your country, same way we did in Ireland when we fought against the English for the Republic. Now, all of these things are strong reasons why. But in this day and age, we don't have those same problems. We have to create this urgency for ourselves. Now, the reason I share this with you is because when you find your reason why, you'll be able to execute consistently. But that can take some time, and it takes reminding. I have to constantly remind myself of why I'm doing what I'm doing, because it's not easy, but I chose this path. And it can be simple if I make it. So the reason why this is a message for you, because you clicked on this video, is because we live in such an amazing time where there's so many opportunities for you to create a life of freedom for yourself, to be able to grow and expand in terms of your levels of mastery, your internal state, your frequency, raising up in your levels of consciousness, and serving other people to create and generate more income for yourself. And if you were to say this to me a number of years ago, I probably wouldn't have believed you. And I totally get that. But I wish someone told me what was ahead of me, because I would have been a lot more excited, but also a lot more afraid because of the person I had to become to be able to build that momentum and move in this direction. Now, I have by no means made it, and I don't think I will ever make it, because I don't believe in arrival. But I do believe in the progressive realization of a worthy goal of your time. And we live in the most amazing time for you to execute on something that you're excited about, to build a business around something that you're excited about, to do the things that you've always wanted to do, by learning the skills and becoming the person who's able to navigate that. I truly believe that we're stepping into this time where the creator economy is just going to overtake the normal economy, where jobs will now be created through creators, through online businesses, because the traditional way of operating is not really exciting for a lot of people. So by stepping into this time, and by really embracing the journey ahead of what's available to you, and remembering that, yeah, it's going to be challenging, but we're living in the most amazing time that has ever existed in humanity. And for you to be able to take advantage of that, and to get into the arena and really show up as this warrior in this new arena that we find ourselves in, the new Colosseum of the online world, you can thrive, or you can make progress, and you can create something you're excited about. Not saying it's going to be easy, but it's something that we have the option to do. So we live in the most amazing time. So this is the universe calling you into action, calling you into momentum, because there's infinite amount of ways for you to generate income for yourself online now. I've done it through affiliate marketing. I've done it through online marketing, doing services for other people, coaching, selling digital products. Like, I've done all of them at different times. Now, what I do right now is one-on-one coaching. And what I've done in the past was providing done-for-you marketing services for people. And now I feel like I'm truly in alignment with my purpose, and I'm just using this creator economy that we find ourselves in to actualize that. So there's so many opportunities. And if there's something that you can do directly after this video, is to commit and decide that now is the time to make the change. Now is the time to move forward. Now is the time to build that momentum. Even if you're already doing something, take it more seriously. Because this literally has the opportunity to create an entire generation after you of freedom, wealth, and a different way of operating than previous generations before. You have the chance to intercept your generation, your bloodline, and to become the one that changes it all by taking advantage of the opportunities that are in front of you at all times. You have the opportunity to be the one that flips the switch for your family, for your children, for your future family, for your wife, whatever the case may be. You have that capacity within you. And when you have that capacity within you, it's up to you to move with that, understand that, know that, and then move into action with it. So today's a short message. I wanted to remind you that this is the time. The time is now. And if there's something you've been sitting on, if there's something that you've been contemplating, and you feel excitement towards it, and you know that there's opportunity there, but you're doubting yourself or you're feeling fear, put that fear to the side, put that doubt to the side, and understand that now is the time. Bring more urgency to it. Create, build, accelerate. It's all available to you. Use it. Invest in yourself. Get guidance. Find the missing pieces. Build the puzzle. Complete the picture. And move with pace. Move with accelerated energy. Amplify your energy. Amplify your consciousness. Create. Serve humanity. The world is calling you. The world needs your insights. The world needs your essence. Bring it. And go on that path of mastery as you navigate it to be able to create the reality that you want to create within that world that you are creating for yourself. And if you want to learn more about how to do that, just go through some of the videos on my channel. We go deeper into all of these different things, because the foundation of everything is going to be your mindset, how you view everything. It's always going to come back to your mind. So accelerate, move with intention, move with pace, and know that the world needs you to rise, to step up, and to contribute. Hold this message in your mind today. Move with action. Decide right now that you're going to make a committed decision. This has been Jordan, and I will see you in the next video.